Today I'm staying in the Hilton Garden Inn Snowdonia, situated in the beautiful Conwy Valley. I'm going to show you the room, the on-site facilities, the restaurants, and we'll also get to go to the Wave Garden Spa. Hope you enjoy. So we are on the second floor, room 231. This is the bathroom. It looks amazing, if I do say so myself. We have chosen the accessibility queen room today. When I was looking, it was either a twin room or the queen accessibility. So you do have this large open shower area, so wheelchair users can come in. Crabtree and Evelyn conditioner, shampoo, and I'm guessing that's shower gel. Towels. It's very nice. Really big TV as well on the wall. You've also got a smeg, kettle, and fridge. Will there be anything in the fridge? Nothing in the fridge. Fill your refrigerator with reasonably priced treats to enhance your stay. We also have lagoon view from this room. This is the Surf Snowdonia surf pool or surf lagoon. They have recently closed down, gone into administration, so this facility is no longer used. But before, you could watch people surf being modelled by catching. This is the queen bed. It's quite a nice room actually, and you've got a weird chair in the corner. In the room you do have an iron and an ironing board. Just gone to get the glass out, and I don't know if you can see that, but that's definitely lipstick all over that glass. At the best. So there are 3 floors here, and you can see on the first floor there's a gym, and looks what to be like a laundry, reception, shop, spa. That's where we're going now, to the spa. So the spa is run by the Wave Garden Spa, which I think is something completely different to the hotel. So you have to leave the hotel by reception and come along the path here past the lagoon. These are the changing rooms, and free lockers are provided. So as part of the price to get in, we paid £30 because we're staying next door, otherwise it is £35. You get a free glass of Prosecco or half a pint of lager. Cheers. So this is the outdoor, some sort of hot tub type. It comes on, it goes off intermittently. We are now, oh, here we go, it's coming on. With the views over the lagoon and the mountains. Beautiful. Here we go into the barrel sauna. Oh, it's always nice and toasty in here. This is the ice bucket challenge, and you can guess what's going to come out of this bucket. Ice water. Like, I'm guessing I just press it. Oh my god, it's not working!
Oh,
Oh, it's
there you go.
I don't know if it just goes or I have to press it again. My pants came down. You've got yourself a relaxation room there. It's really a nice place, to be honest. Imagine in a nice summer's day, old like deck chairs and stuff here. I'm gonna head back inside now. We're gonna go into the steam room. Let's go. So a couple of minutes in the Himalayan salt sauna, and it was time to evacuate. It was just too hot in there. This is one of the indoor pools overlooking the lagoon. The sun is about to set. So I just pressed this button here thinking it was going to start the whole pool again. Oh, it's steaming up. Start the whole pool again, but it's putting bloody fountains on. Very nice. So I've got beds to chill out here, and there's places for your massage rooms and treatments. Place to get some lemon water as well with cups. I gave you some fake news earlier by saying it was the Himalayan steam room. This is the Himalayan salt sauna. You can see it on the wall there. Let's go in. And it definitely is salty. If you go, you can taste the salt in the air. So they have got Dyson hair dryers here. And there we have it, the Wave Garden Spa completed. You probably can't see me. Oh no, there we can, you can see me now. Gonna head back to the hotel, get changed and come out for some food. This is the restaurant, you can see it all set up down here. Not sure what kind of food they have. Hopefully some steak. We are on the way down to the restaurant to have some food. Let's go. So to start with, we've gone for olives, pita bread and some olive oil. Look at that, £3.95. So I've gone for the Dakota Wild Horse Brewing Co. Let's give it a try. It's really tasty, citrusy. This is the asparagus risotto with mint and pea. And here we are, the 12-ounce rump with chunky chips, brandy and peppercorn sauce, and some onions, mushrooms, tomatoes. Beautiful. That steak was gorgeous. The portion sizes were so big I haven't been able to finish the chips. That was £30. This was a total bill, £74.41. We had olives and pita to start, the 2 alcoholic drinks, the 2 mains and a dessert with service charge, £74. This is like a self-service shop here near reception. This is the guest laundry room. £2 for washing machine and £1 for the dryer. And there's a real mix of gym equipment here on the 2nd floor. Bikes, treadmills and weights. And that's it for the evening. Now time for some breakfast. got your choice of juices: orange, cranberry, apple, and some water. Muffins, croissants, cookies, eggs, tomatoes, hash browns. Oh, look at them waffles. This is the breakfast. It actually looks really nice. There was no fried eggs when we got there, but the chef did make us two as we were walking around. Ask our chefs for eggs any way you like them. Your choice of fillings with ham, cheese, mushrooms, and onion sauce. You can get an omelette if you wanted. Good morning from the Hilton Garden Inn Snowdonia. We have just checked out of the hotel, had a lovely cooked breakfast this morning with waffles and croissants and everything. I've just taken the drone up to get some nice shots of the hotel complex. The hotel was absolutely stunning. The only downside of the whole stay was the bed. I woke up this morning with an awful bad back, and I think it's down to the bed. But the hotel was brilliant, really nice staff, really nice location overlooking the lagoon. It's just a shame that the lagoon doesn't work anymore and that the business has gone into administration. The price of this room was £83 for a queen room with breakfast included. It is a Tuesday night in December. The prices are probably cheaper than normal. If you're on like a weekend or mid of summer, it would probably be expensive. The spa was £30 each, and the evening meal came to £75. All in all, good overall stay in the Hilton Garden Inn Snowdonia. Come down, stay, I'm sure you'll enjoy. Anyway, that's all from me. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.